I get it. It is snowing. Like heavy snowing. Whoa. I bet in 10 minutes I'm gonna get a text from Tracy and my mom saying, is it snowing? Is it snowing there? It's gonna be fun to get Tommy to go outside today.
Hi.
I just wanted to show your outfit, you know, because you got a different outfit.
No, I don't. This is literally what
No,
I'm wearing.
the vest is slightly different because you're wearing like...
this is the vest I took from Flip.
Alright, fine. You know what? Whatever. You got a new position is my point.
I wore this hat before I got to camp to the disco one.
Fine. I was trying to make it, you know, I'm not gonna walk to the gas station.
Why not? It's not like the weather's bad.
To go and, you know, vlog you, like, and be like, look, he got his new job. Like, just, anyways. Good morning, Tommy. You handsome little guy. You are going to have to wear a jacket today, Tom. You are gonna freeze. Okay? Alright. I attempted to take Tommy outside, and he basically was like, no. Got up on my leg, was like, standing up. He did not want to be out there. And so, really, Tom, I took some pictures of him. I didn't get any vlog footage because we literally just went down to our tree. So, that went well. And right after we come back in, it completely stopped snowing and didn't stick. So, I think we're just going to have like little snow weather today. Does anybody else's Hulu do this? Like, just way too often? Like, it's always logging us out, and there's no reason to. We literally only use Hulu on this TV, that TV, and the other TV. Millennials and children basically born in the 90s, maybe part of the early 2000s. You will get this. Younger kids, you're probably like, whoa, what? But let's just show you. So this is a Nano, I believe. Shuffle. This is a shuffle. It's one of the first iPods that was like tiny, you know, and it was really cool when I was like younger. I think I got it in elementary school or middle school. I got it in middle school. But I got my name engraved on the back of it. I got it for Christmas. It was like the coolest thing. I was so excited. So I took this to school every single day of middle school. And my best friend Helena and me would listen to music on it like nonstop through like in the hallway, lunch, you know, art classes, all that kind of stuff. And I just found it again. Charged it, and it has all this good grungy music on it. Like, man, I was in a grungy stage or something. But anyways, I just thought this was kind of funny because I found a song that I really like that I haven't heard like since then, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know what the name of this is. So I was like, oh, I should heart it so that it shows that it's hearted and that it's one of my favorites and I can go back. And then I realized, this is old technology, Simone. You can't do that. You can literally go forward, backward, do the volume, pause, and play. So I can't like it. I'm too used to my iPod now. I can't like it. So I'm going to have to plug it into my computer and figure out what the name is. But I just thought that was really funny. So any millennials will probably think that's hilarious.
If it's coming down,
wow.
If it's coming down hard in the morning, Mom, you want to be super careful. Maybe,
yeah.
Maybe you might have to call in.
No, I'm gonna go.
So we just got the notice that there will be no school for our district, and that means no Liberty Fit. It has gotten to be a lot more accumulation, I guess. I don't know how long it's supposed to be because it's saying right now the snow is supposed to stay through Thursday, so we'll see. But we're Liberty Fit tomorrow.